Hi, my name is Ken. I'm originally from the Philippines.
My name is Eleanor. I'm from the Philippines.
My name is Flora. I'm from the Philippines.
I'm Christine Hematiza and I'm from Bohol, Philippines. I took Certificate 3 in Aged Care. I never regret the fact that I chose Academia International because they're one of the best institutions that provide good quality education to all the students. Academia not just nurtured me with knowledge, but also with the needed skills that I am doing right now. So I'm always and forever be thankful for them.
I'm currently studying Patisserie. I had excellent teachers who guided me all throughout the various steps of cooking and pastry making. After having learned from them, I can take on a pastry job and be excellent at it.
I studied commercial cookery and academia. I chose academia because it's one of the best schools in culinary in Australia, and it helped us to be globally competitive when it comes in a chosen pathway career.
I am currently studying diploma in early childhood education and care. Academia is really one of the best schools here offering the course. Teachers are really good, very friendly and accommodating to us, helping us with the course. I hope you come join us here in Academia. It's a good school.